This is a high-performance cleaning product designed for car lovers. It not only thoroughly removes dirt and stubborn stains from the surface of your vehicle, but also provides a strong layer of protection for your car while it is being cleaned. Using advanced active cleaning factors, it quickly dissolves and removes stubborn stains such as oil, dirt, fur droppings, and resins, keeping the bodywork as clean as new. The specially added nano coating ingredients form a transparent protective film during the cleaning process, effectively resisting the erosion of the car paint by UV rays, acid rain, and oxidation, prolonging the brightness and life of the car paint. The surface of the car wash shows an amazing water bead effect. The water droplets are not easy to stain, reducing water stains and smudges and making it easier to take care of. Easy to operate. Only a small amount of coated car wash liquid can produce rich foam efficiently and quickly complete the car wash process, saving time and energy.